Hello, it's Padlock, and I thought I'd do a little video today on how to find the combinations to these combination padlocks using just a paperclip. I've bent this one out already. I've just bent half of it into a straight line. That's all you need to do, and then we can use this tool to decode the padlocks. However, these are both currently set to all zeros, so all I'll do is I'll turn the shackle 90 degrees, press it in, and then I'll give it a scramble. I'll do this so that I can't see what the code is, and then I'll make sure that they are actually on numbers. Lock it back up and then give it another scramble, and then I'll do the same to this one as well, which is also set to all zeros at the moment. Give it another scramble. There we go. So I've got two padlocks and I do not know the combinations to any of those. I promise you I didn't cheat and look. Okay, so we're going to use this, and just down the side of the shackle there's a little hole. So all we're going to do is we're going to press this tool in fairly rapidly like that, and then at the same time I'm going to turn the wheels. And then when we hit the, oh there we go, it's just dropped down on the number 4. And then when we hit the correct numbers, it will drop down through each gate on each wheel. So we've got 4, 3, there we go, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. Did that drop through there on number 6? Yes, it did. Number 5, sorry. Okay, so all we do now is that's given us the sequence. That's not given us the actual combination. Now we need to take 2 off each dial. And that should open the lock. There we go, that's one open, and it's exactly the same for this lock as well. Let's hope I can get it right again. Stick that in there. There we go, that's gone through on 0. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to do it as well as I can. So you can, there we go, that's gone through on a number 5. Of course you don't, there we go, that's gone through on a number 2. You don't necessarily have to do the last wheel, because if you got the first 2, then you can just do all 10 combinations of the last wheel anyway. So once again, we'll take 2 off to get the gates into place on the lock. And that's not opened up. Let's just give that another go. I'm going to guess that that's probably the last wheel. Oh, it's this one here. There we go. Got it this time. 5, 1, 8. So we'll take 2 off each wheel. And we've got it this time. If you've got any other combination locks and it works on those, let us know in the comments which locks they are. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.